Today I'm going to be comparing two proxies for you, Proxy4u and Smart Proxy. They have recently changed Smart Proxy to Decoder, but the same tactics of trying to steal your information, pretending it's a cheap price, is still there. Let me show you exactly what I mean, because you might think, oh, you're going against them. I'm going to show you why you're going to save money going with Proxy4u, and you're not going to have to give details for lies. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so here we are at Proxy4u. I'm going to show you why I think this is a superior proxy provider than Decoder, which was Smart Proxy. Also, the fact that something has had to rebrand into something else. So for example, Smart Proxy used to be a huge proxy provider. Some things happened in the background. They now changed to Decoder, okay? Makes me already not trust it, okay? And that's not to say it isn't good. I just like it when something stays consistent. Proxy4u has always been Proxy4u and it always will be Proxy4u, which is why I really like it. If it decided to change, maybe I would have that opinion too. Okay, so as we go into Smart Proxy, not much has changed calling it Decoder, okay? Apart from the branding. When you go into the actual proxies, it has the same vibe, all right? Now, one thing I want to point out very, very clearly is it states here residential proxies at $1.50 per gigabyte. Now, if you actually check over here at residential proxies, it would look at first glance like Proxy4u. Maybe it's a little bit more expensive. Is it? Let's have a look. So when we go here to claim the deal, this is what they do, okay? They trick you into thinking that it actually is $1.50. Now, after you sign up to an account, you will see that it gives you an insanity amount that you need to buy before it's $1.50. Now, I want to make this very, very clear. Let me log in and show you. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. Once you get in, you kind of get tricked, and this is why I don't like it when someone pulls the wool over, they take your details, and then say, actually, it's not $1.50. Tell me where you can see here at $1.50 price. If I want to buy 2 gig today, it's going to cost me $6. $6, that's $3 per gig. Now, if we come to Proxy4u, you see it's $2.50 per gigabyte. So we're already saving money. And this, you actually don't need to buy 2 gig. You can do it on 1 gig. So 2 gigs only going to cost you $5. You actually saved yourself $1. All right, now let's go into the next part of where they scam you. Most popular, it says 25 gigabytes. This is going to cost you $5.20 per gigabyte. Guys, if you go up to 1,000 gig, even at that point, once you buy a terabyte, it's still only going to cost you $3. $3 per gigabyte. So tell me where on here it says $1.50. Tell me. It doesn't, okay? Even if you go to the pay-as-you-go, if you want just 1 gigabyte, it costs you $3.50. If you go to Proxy4u right now, $2.50, okay? And this is completely pay-as-you-go. You can have 1 gigabyte, 100 gigabyte, it doesn't matter. If you buy a terabyte, yes, then you will have $1.50. But the minimum, there is no company that does $2.50 out there. So this I don't like, because even if you just want 2 gigabyte, you cannot. All right, unless you're paying $6, which is absolutely insane. You might as well go somewhere else. So I don't like this. They've took my details and they've said this. Now, with Proxy4u, they never do that. If you go on 1 gigabyte, you simply click buy now. It's going to allow you to have 1 gigabyte at the price it's told you. And you will take your details, but it does not change, guys. This is why I really, really urge you to go with Proxy4u. And this is the same with everything they show, okay? The data center proxies, the mobile proxies, $3.50, $1.50. It does not change, okay? They don't pull the wool over your eyes. This is a really good proxy provider, all right? That gives you pay-as-you-go flexibility all around the world. Trusted by travelers, sellers, analysts, brands, everyone, okay? They got massive reviews on Trustpilot. Okay, 5-star reviews on Reviews.io, Product Hunt, everything, okay? They really are taking over in the proxy space. And it's because of scams like this that try and steal your money, pretending you're getting it for $1.50, where in fact, we cannot find anything that says $1.50 in this entire website. So it's not very nice to sit here and go, from $1.50. It's just not, okay? Don't believe this, from 35 pence. It's just simply not. So guys, be smart and go with the only provider that is honest, Proxy4u. There you go, guys. Get with Proxy4u, where they are honest, transparent, and they actually do give you the service they provide for the cheap price. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified. I'll see you next time.